Welcome to Surgeon Education Hub. Arithmetic progression important question. First question. Two APs have the same common difference. The first term of this is -1 and that of the other is -8. Then the difference between their fourth term is. Now they are given two AP. First AP first term is -1. Second AP first term is -8. If you see the difference is +7. Okay, now then the difference between their fourth term will be also +7. Now second question, the next term of the AP √6, √24, √54 is. √6 cannot be simplified. If you simplify √24, it will become 2√6. If you simplify √54, it will become 3√6. Next will be 4√6. If it goes inside, it will be √16 into 6, which will be √96. Option B. Now, third question. How many terms are there in an AP whose first term and fifth term are -14 and 2 respectively, and the last term is 62? They are given here is first term and fifth term and the last term. We have to find the n value. This question is asked for 3 marks. Fourth question. Which term of the AP 65, 61, 57, 53 is the first negative term? Here we have to find the n value. So this question is asked for 3 marks. Fifth question. The sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24 and the sum of sixth and 10th term is 144. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Here they have given A4 plus A8 and as well as A6 plus A10. Okay, if you solve this, you will get A and D. Then you can write the first 3 terms of the AP. Sixth question. In an AP, A is equal to 3.5, D is equal to 0 and N is equal to 101. Find AN. You have to find the value of AN. So this question is easy. The answer will be 3.5. This question is asked for 2 marks. The sum of n terms of an AP whose first term is 6 and common difference is 40 is equal to sum of 2n terms of another AP whose first term is 40 and common difference is 6. Find n. Here they have given 2 AP. We have to find the n value. Now 8th question. The sum of 4 consecutive terms of an AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of the first and the last term to the product of the 2 middle terms is 7:15. Find the numbers. Here they have given the 4 consecutive numbers. That is, sum of 4 consecutive terms is 32. We have to find the value of 4 consecutive numbers. This question is asked for 3 marks. 9th question. The sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 42. The ratio of its 11th term to its 33 term is 1:3. Calculate the first term of an AP. Here they have given S6. Okay, we have to find the value of first term means A. We have to find the value of A. This question is asked for 2 marks. For what value of n are the nth term of an 2 AP 60, 62, 64 and -10, -3, 4, 11 are equal? Here they are given 2 AP. We have to find the n value for which both the AP terms are equal. These are the 10 arithmetic progression important questions.